Time to get to the stocks on our radar. Ron, you're up first. Our man behind the glass, Steve Broido, is going to hit you with a question. What do you got?
Stick with me, Stevie. Hill-Rom Holdings, HRC, spun off from Hillenbrand in 2008, a medical equipment company, a recent recommendation here at the Motley Fool. They have a long-established presence in the medical equipment market, 14 consecutive quarters of double-digit earnings growth, great opportunities in connective care and technology. International expansion is a great opportunity as well. They've raised their dividend for 8 consecutive years. Very strong management team, well-run company.
Steve, question about Hill-Rom Holdings.
What medical device are they best known for?
I'm going to say they're best known for cardiac monitoring, some ophthalmology equipment as well that they got through an acquisition, some respiratory care equipment as well.
Jason Moser, what are you looking at?
The power of the burrito, Chris. It is unbelievable to me, but Chipotle Mexican Grill, ticker CMG, the stock is up 66% this year alone. But you know what? I'm digging in there, and I'm starting to see why, actually. Brian Niccol has the full faith of investors everywhere that he knows what he's doing. And if you've been to a Chipotle recently, you probably have noticed a little bit of a difference. I certainly have. The in-store experience is much improved. They're incorporating these digital order pickup areas, much like the Panera across the street. The food is better. They've got a legit rewards program now. I'm actually a member of that too.
How's the queso?
You know, I always like the
stabilizer free.
I was never that critical of it to begin with. Okay, but you know, either way, I think it's gotten better. But I think most of all, he's actually taken them off of that pedestal that we were always so critical about under L's leadership. And now, you know, I think it's a little bit of a less of a target there. So the shares are 56 times forward earnings. I'm not sure it justifies that valuation, but they're doing one heck of a job.
Steve, question about Chipotle?
I think they still sell alcohol. Is that a good idea? Yes or no?
Absolutely.
Aaron Bush, what are you looking at?
I'm going to go back to Zoom, and I just want to share some reasons why I think Zoom is so interesting. So looking at their S1, their revenue growth over the past year was 118%. Their expansion rates were best in class. Their payback period to break even is 9 months, which is fantastic for an enterprise software company. They're already profitable, which at this stage is very rare for this type of company. Their balance sheet is rock solid. And it reminds me of Atlassian in some ways at a much earlier stage, which has been a fantastic stock in its own right. It's still founder-led. The founder owns something like 20% of shares. I think investors are going to maybe make a lot of money in Zoom.
Steve?
When do you expect them to go public?
Probably in the next couple months.
You got one you want to add to your watch list, Steve?
We use Zoom here. I love it, so I'm going with Zoom.